The Swedish Institute Scholarships are among Europe's most competitive government funding programs for international students. Designed for future global leaders, these scholarships support talented students pursuing master's degree at top universities across Sweden. This program focuses on academic excellence, leadership potential, and a strong commitment to sustainable development and social impact. Swedish Institute scholarships are fully funded. They cover tuition fees, monthly living expenses, health insurance, and travel support, allowing students to focus fully on learning and innovation. Sweden is known for its progressive education system, emphasis on critical thinking, and leadership in sustainability, technology, and social equality. Scholars become part of a powerful global network of professionals, innovators, and changemakers connected through shared values and collaboration. This scholarship is not just about earning a degree in Europe, it is about gaining the skills and mindsets needed to create positive change worldwide.